Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to see how to create a trigger action for this particular media type, which happens to be Event Driven Ansible's media type for sending webhooks to the Event Driven Ansible server. So when I go to alerts and I go to actions and I go to trigger actions, you can see that I do have some actions predefined over here. So forget this one, we'll get to that. So the first one is to notify event-driven Ansible. So when we click on it, we have a condition. So the condition is to match the link, a value on it. Let's say it's going to match a tag on the link, which equals NNI. Now, mind you, when I was creating this, in my previous video, I showed you that when you go to data collection host, then we go to core switch one, then we go to triggers, then we search for NNI. I had a tag for it, and as you can see, these are the tags. So these are the tags that I created. So this is the default tag it came with, and this is the customized tag I created. So when the link goes down, and then there's I call this trigger action calls, it's going to look for a link with this particular tag over here, and it's going to perform an action. So let's try and see if we can do something similar to that. So we choose trigger, which equals, and then we select the trigger. So here we select 01, which is the switch, and then we can search for interface down. Yeah, so this is the interface which has that particular trigger. So you can just reference from here, Samsung NNI link EDA. So when the link goes down, it will take note of this, but then once it matches this particular trigger, it's going to perform operations on it. So that's how I went about to select this. Now we have the operations over here. So now the first operation is to send to user groups, okay? So let's look at it. As you can see, it's been sent to the user groups, and then we have the media type selected as the event-driven Ansible. So once the trigger picks the tags, it's going to perform operations, and the first operation is to notify the database administrators using the event-driven Ansible media type, which is a webhook. So instead of sending an email, we also have a configuration for the email, but we're not focused on that. We're only focused on the media type, which is the event-driven Ansible. So it's going to send it to this particular webhook, which we intend sending to the event-driven Ansible server, which will be listening for events from the service based on the triggers that took place. So we have that one, and then we also have the recovery option. So with that, we'll get back to it. So for now, let's hold on to this one, okay? So that was how I created the whole thing. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how I created a very simple rule book to listening for events. So thank you for watching this video and see you in my next video.